Hello, this is Andrea from Spreadsheetables, and I just want to record my process of um brainstorming a not brainstorm troubleshooting a spreadsheet. Brainstorm versus troubleshoot. So this is a spreadsheet that our lovely Emma, one of our members from the Spreadsheet Hub, she sent me this and she needs help. Basically, she has a newspaper sort of thing where she has the advertisers and all, and she needs like some, I can't explain, but like some slots each advertiser get, like either 1/4 of a page, 1/8 of a page, half a page, and things like that. Either black and white or color. And she has all the advertising sizes over here. So these are, 1/8 of a page black and white, 1/8 of a page color. I forgot what the L was for, but and the NL, but it's just different pricing. And then here she has the full price, which is for the ad hoc people. People that come and go, they advertise as they need, as needed. And then we have the regular advertisers that they use the service every month, right? So then they get a discount for doing that. And then here she has the pages and the available, the space that is available, the space that is taken. So what she wanted to do, she wanted to, she has a column for, she has a section for the month, and then she has a section for the how much of space they're taking, right? The advertising size, and then how much it costs, and if it has been paid or not. So she reached out asking for some help because she wants to, she does all this typing manually, monthly. And, when you do that stuff manually, it's prone to errors, right? If you put 36 here, 3610 instead of 3510 by an accident, and sometimes her table is really long. This is just a sample of the data that she uses, but it's a really long, table. So, I mean, it's normal, right? We all make errors, and she just wanted to automate everything in order to not have those mistakes. So, first thing I'm going to do, if you're not familiar at all, with formulas, or if you tried and you can't brainstorm the best way to do so, I'm going to show you a trick. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy this. We're going to get a sample of this spreadsheet. So for example, here it goes on and on, right? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So she has all the months. And then she has the advertisers here and so forth and so on. So, and then she has the pricing here. So what information do I need to use as a sample? We're going to use ChatGPT to help us brainstorm this. So, we're going to need this sample. So we're going to get this. And I'm going to go all the way to March. And don't get the whole entire thing because it's going to be too long of a data for ChatGPT to be able to read. So this is enough, right? This is plenty of data for ChatGPT. Just give a Control-C. And then you come back here to Chatty and be like, hello, ChatGPT, I have a Google Sheets spreadsheet. And now this is important to specify that you're using Google Sheets, because if not, they're going to give you, Excel formulas that might not work with Google Sheets. I have a Google Sheet spreadsheet, and then you just do a Control-V. That's it. And then it will look like out of order, but that's fine. And then give a space, this, and say, do you understand? Keep all of this all in one prompt, and then just hit enter. Let's see what Chatty says. It says, yes, I understand. It looks like a spreadsheet for tracking advertising and publication over several months. Spreadsheet includes company name, contact name, address, email, the size and price of various types of advertisements placed by regular and ad hoc advertisers. There is also a summary section that calculates the total revenue generated from regular and ad hoc advertisers for each month and the total generated overall. Additionally, there's a table showing the all available sizes, full price, and discount. So it basically picked up everything. If you want to, you can come over here and say, for example, can you identify column, let's see, F. So column F should be the advertising size. Or the January, right? Because it picked up the first header. F refers to January month, includes information of the size, price, and whether it was published in the publication. Oh, I think it picked up this as published. Okay. So now, you're going to give ChatGPT information. So it picked up the price, it picked up everything, or it looks like it did. So we're going to keep it simple for now. And we're going to be based on the advertising sizes, full price, and discount list. Wait, I think, how did you... Here. Based on the table showing the available discount, please help me. I say I want to calculate the price per advertiser based on the advertiser size for the month of January. What's the best formula to use? Let's see what it says. So it said, for the month of January, use this formula. If F9 equals empty, so F9. Okay, you just pull it doesn't read rows correctly, so it can't really help you in that. So you're going to have to edit this. But it says VLOOKUP F9 F15. Let's see. Let's copy this. Let's put it here. So if F3, right, is not empty, then you're going to VLOOKUP F3, and then F15. No, it's reading the ranges wrong, so forget these. So let me cut this. So, okay. Oh my gosh, I hate when it does that. So, okay, VLOOKUP, and now the next going to be the range. So we're going to read this range right here. And F4 to make it absolute. And then what else was in there? Index. Okay, so then I just paste this. And then it's going to index actually not the 2, I'm going to get the 3 because I want to get the price for the discount, right? We're doing the regular advertisement. And then times, I don't know what this is, times F9. E9. What is E9? I'll just try without that. There we go. Now you have the 3510. Now let's pull this down and see if it will read correctly. It did. Now you have everything in here. And now here, you can do sum. All of these. What? Oh, that's because it should be numbers only. So let's do this. Remove that. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let me just change this. Let's see. Hope you guys can hear me. 2510. I could extract just the. I'm gonna make this also a number. Make currency, but then I'm gonna change the format to custom currency. And where is the, I think it's called pounds. Nope, it's not showing. British pounds, and apply. Now it's summing because now this is a number and not a text. I wonder if I can just do this. Oops. Alright, let me pause this and clean this table up. Alright, so now I have all this. These are all formatted as numbers. And you can see down here, it says sum, right? If I click here, it just says count because this is a text. Now, if I click here, it's summing all of that range. Okay, so I know it's number. What else? Now let's go here. Right, so this one is good. Now we're going to do the same thing for here. So we're going to just Control C this. And I'm going to Control V. And this is going to be if F3, it's going to look up here and it's going to return that. Okay, so that will be the same. Oh, actually, no. So now instead of F3, we're going to change to I3. So here goes from F to I because we're going to change the range in here, right? So here, let's say now this one is not going to be this one anymore. It's going to be this, right? Let's say it's going to be here. So this now will change and it's going to be this. And then if it's not, if it's, you know, back now, it's this. So basically what this is doing, the VLOOKUP is it's consulting this table right here. And wherever it finds this value, it's going to return the discounted table. All right, so here we can change this to checklist to make it more like user friendly, something like that. And then this, all right, so this is for this one, right? And then we can just Control C here and then put it here. And then if it's paid, you can just come here and check it out. They all paid. And because, and the reason why this is easier, you can do conditional formatting. So let's say this is the January, and then we're going to select this. And we're going to do format, conditional formatting. Remove my face, and now it's going to be, for example, none of this, but sorry, we can do red, for example, and then this, if, now we go here, we go to custom formula. So with custom formula, we're going to be equals Now we're gonna do this. So H3 equal true. Actually false, right? False. So now, because if this is unchecked, it means that they didn't pay yet, right? Now, if this is checked, that means they have to pay this month. And you can do, oh, it's not picking up the column G, even though it's on the range. I think if I just do a $sign here, it might. There we go. So now it's picking up in both. So if I do this, now it is good. It's paid. And then here, oh, and we can also do conditional formatting here as well if you want to just you know, whoever paid. I'm sorry. So we could do this. If and then this equals true, then some. If not, just skip it. No, no, I'm not right. Wrong. I think I did the thing right. Wrong. Okay. I gotta remember. Go back to the formula. I keep forgetting. But there's a way. It says if this is true, then you can sum. But I don't know if you want to see the total that you are going to receive for the month, or if you want to just track the total paid. So let me know. And then if you do, we can change this. Or, since we're already recording, we can also ask GPT to troubleshoot this. So let's go over here. We have this range. See here. I have this range in my spreadsheet, and I want a formula to sum only the values that are true. Okay. Sum if true, and then the range that is sum. Okay. So, equal sum if, and then you're going to give the range that is going to sum, and then the criteria is true. Sorry, no, wrong. Back up. The range is this, because you're gonna, this is where you're gonna check the criteria. Also not working. Why? It's saying it's returning 0. Does it have to be this? Nope. It's all returning 0. Alright, hold on. I don't know why it's not picking up. Oh, because I didn't put the sum form. Okay, sorry. So true, and then sum range. It will be this one. There we go. Now it's summing. So now, and we can always do format, number, British pound. And now, when I take this off, it's not, you know. Now it just basically sums only the things that have been paid. So there's another option. If you don't want this to be conditional to that, you just remove that and just do a sum. And then you just sum this part over here. Okay? And then here the same thing. So we got the formula here. We can just, let's see if I control V here. And we can even the range for the conditional formatting here. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to have to create a new one. So you can just click here and add another rule. Now it's going to copy basically this And then I'm just going to change this to, what is it? I to J. So I3 to J7. Or whatever it is, the range that, you know you have more people here. So just go to the last person. So first cell, last cell. And then here, now it's not H3 anymore. Now you want K3. So just change it here. Click done. Now you should have the same conditional formatting applied here. All right. And now the same thing for here. If you go here, Control C, Control V. No, it did not. Oh, right. Okay. Nope. Hold on. Nope. Goodness gracious. All right. So let's copy this formatting here. Make sure that this cell. Why is it not working? This should be copying the format. It is not. Let's go back. So I like copying this only. And then just paste in here. But now this is just some. Actually, it's gonna count this range, true, and then it's gonna sum this range. So now, not summing. K7, J7. Why is it not summing? Sum if K3 to K7 is true. J3 to J7. Why is it not working? Oh, because these are not. Okay, hold on. There we go. It was still text. There. And then here again, format number. There. There we go. Oh my gosh. Alright, and now here you have the same conditional formatting. Now, let's go back to the one down here. Okay, so now for this one, we're going to apply the same formula here. Okay, but we're going to change this because this is an ad hoc advertiser, right? It's going to use the different price. So it's going to be getting that at full price. So here you're going to look up. Now it's going to be F10. And then here's going to be F10 again, because again, we're just adjusting the row, right? That it's picking up this. And this will continue the same. It's absolute reference because the table is here. Now this, we're going to be looking up instead of 3, right? Because it's 1, 2, 3. So we're looking up the discount before. Now we're going to look up number 2. Just close here, put number 2. And now you have, was it 28? I forgot. It was 28. Yes. So now you have 28. And you can pull here and scroll down here. Now, this one here, it returns 0 because it says if F11 is 0, right? Then it will return 0. So this will be here. Now, there is something else that we can do here because, you know, I know you highlight the cells black, right? When you have no advertiser, right? So if this was down here, for example, it will pull this number. Now, if there's not, there's nothing in here. Now here, you can do conditional formatting. Instead of you coming and manually highlighting the cells black, you go to format. Let's select the cells here. So we're going to select all of this, okay? Right, because it's gonna highlight black, all these 3 columns right here. So go to format, conditional formatting. The range is already selected. It's this block right here. If let's put a formula. So if this F10 equals empty, we are going to highlight black. Done. So now you have this. So even if you put a checkbox in here, let's say you're gonna copy this, right? We're gonna change this here. You have the checkbox. Did it override? Oh, it overrid the thing. So let's change this back. So we want F10 to, right? F10 all the way to the last cell, which is H15. 15? 14. H14. And then click done. That should be... Why is it not? If F10... Oh. Let's see. Wait, do I need this? There we go. And just make that absolute, just the F, right? Because this is where we're referring to. And just click done. So now, this is going to be... Okay. So now you have this. So if you come over here and you have this, now it's all this, and you can toggle on and off. Oh, and this one should have this. Ugh, keeps overriding my thing. So first put all your formulas and then come over here and change this. So F10, 14, F10. Wait, why is it? Oh, never mind. That. So now you have the information, and if you want this here, now has the price, it has everything. So basically all you have to do now is put their advertised size, right? And let me know, I think that was it. And oh, and here for the sum, let's sum again. This is all formulas. This one is not. Oh, it's going down. Wait. Let's pull the formulas all the way down. I'm just pressing the backspace here so we can go back to black. Okay, so now this, we're going to do the same thing that we did up here. Control C, Control V, but now we want to change the range again. So this, we're going to select this one, and then this, we're going to select this one. And now you have that. And then here we're going to format, make it British pound. There we go. And then here, I believe this is the sum of these two. Yep. So here you can do equal sum this one plus this one. That's all you get. That's all you need. Now all of this is automated. Oh, the conditional formatting is not here, so this one you would have to come and actually just go over here, open this one, right? It's this one. Don't change anything here, but just add another rule so you can copy everything. And now the range, you're just going to change and add another range, which is going to be this one. And then click OK. Get this comma out of here. Now, instead of H3, it's going to be H10. And now you have your conditional formatting again on here. And now basically all you got to do, and now all of this is automated, right? If you received payment, it is in your sum. And here, if you don't, again, if you don't want this here, just leave the sum over here. I'm going to leave this on, but you can see down here is just summing. So you have two options, either to sum if it's paid only, or to sum the total for the month that, you know, it's something that you will receive. So you know. So, oh. And now this one, because it's highlighted, it's not letting me toggle, which is also good. So, Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you want to do something with the full pages. I forgot what you mentioned about this. So, and I don't know what these ones are, but if you want to automate this part, just let me know and we'll go from there. But basically the most important part you got, which is here. So here, I would change this, for example. I would make it more, you know, you can even do something like this to make it prettier. And then here, so you know, this, and then here, I would make, I would leave like, for example, white. Just so you know that here is where you have to input data. And then this one's, it's formula, right? So you can do the same here. And this one you can even differentiate, so it's not, you know, as gray as this one. Something like that. And you can just copy the formatting here. Just go to this tool. It's called Paint Format, and then go here. Hold on. Why did it's writing over this? It's not supposed to. You can copy just this, for example. See, the February didn't change. I don't know why it's overwriting this. But you can just come over here, select this one, and you can click here, fill color, and click reset. And it's go back to the white color. You don't even have to click white. Do we have conditional formatting here? I don't think we do. So again, go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Now you're going to copy the black conditional formatting. Again, don't change anything here. Just click Add Another Rule. And all you got to do is change the range, right? You're going to come here, select this range, click OK. And instead of F10, right, instead of this one, it will be I10. So just change the I. And then you can close this. And we can put checkboxes as well. Oh my God. Go back. I'm going to Control V. Values only? Oh, it didn't. I'm just going to go ahead and insert checkbox. There we go. There we go. Much better. Okay. So, and got to change the conditional formatting for this one. Did we change for this one? Yeah. So just come over here, Format, Conditional Formatting, add another rule, change the range. Okay. And now instead of H10, it will be K10. I'm just going to do this one so you see how you can adjust that to the other months as well. So just go here, close it. Oh wait, I do not want my checkbox to be red. So here, instead of K, I'm going to go only to J. There we go. That's better. Okay. So now you have paid, unpaid, and then again, just Control C, Control V. Damn it, it keeps doing that. I don't know why. So let's just get this. Control C, exit, Control V. But it's not this range, it's going to be this range. Not this range, it's going to sum this range. Oh, I don't have the formula here now. Sorry. What did I do? Here. Control C. Control V. F10, not F. Now it's going to be the I10. All right, we're now looking up this. We're going to look up this cell right here. This one remains the same. This one remains number 2 because it's the full price. Just hit enter and just pull this down all the way here. And messed up the conditional formatting. I10, why is it? If this is still black, just click here, reset. And it will take that color off. Actually, you can reset all of these, because it should still, so now if you have, let's get a different thing here. Let's get a black and white half page, right? Just click here, just hit enter. Now you have this. It's 88 and it's correct. Just make sure the pricing is correct down here. And now it is paid, and it keeps adding to this. Just format, number, British pound. So now, last one is this one, which is this plus this. You don't even have to enter the sum. I entered here, but you don't have to. Just is just a simple form, the simplest formula in Google Sheets. So again, this will change that. So change that. If you don't want this to move, just do sum, only this. So now it's not gonna move that. Why is that not moving? This one should be moving. It's not. All right, because this is not moving now. So you might want it to move, because that's the way to change this if you want to see what has been paid. Just Control V. Bring back that formula. So now, there we go. Now you know the total that came in, you know, in the month. That's it. Now everybody paid. Everybody that was advertising paid. So now you know that the only the ones that you have to edit are white, and the ones that you don't edit are this. Now this one will be black if you remove this. So just so you know. And this, the only reason why it's like that is because you want to black out everything, right? If they're not paying, if you're not using this month. So just know that this one, even though it's black, it's going to be an input cell, you know, in case you want that. So you can do that however you want. And you can block this. You can protect these ones with that formula. Like you select this whole, you can select the whole entire range, like all the way down. Let's say your thing ends here. Since this one is just formulas, like everywhere is just only formulas, you can just select everything. View more cell actions, protect range. And now you can just, since the range is already selected here, sorry, you can set permissions. And then just do show a warning. That way, even when you are using the spreadsheet, it will give you a warning in case you're typing something in there, maybe because you have been doing this for 8 years and you're going to forget, and you're going to come over here and type the whole price, right? Because it's in the back of your mind. So when you try to type something here, it's not going to let you. Just hit cancel and then you go out. All right. I hope that helps.